Welcome back, Green Thumbs. If you're living in an apartment, a cozy balcony, or a tiny yard, you might feel like there's just no space to garden. But what if I told you that even the smallest spaces can bloom with life? Today, we're diving into 12 creative vertical gardening ideas that will transform your limited space into a lush, green paradise. From DIY projects to smart plant hacks, there's something here for everyone. So stick around till the end, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to never miss our gardening tips. Vertical gardening isn't just a trend, it's a smart solution for small spaces. By growing upwards instead of outwards, you save valuable floor space while still enjoying a lush, thriving garden. These green walls don't just look beautiful, they improve air quality, reduce noise, and create a refreshing, natural vibe right at home. Perfect for urban living, balconies, and tiny yards, vertical gardens allow you to grow everything from colorful flowers and leafy greens to herbs and even small vegetables, all in compact, creative setups. Hanging planters. First up, we have hanging planters, a simple yet stylish way to add greenery without taking up any floor space. You can use macrame hangers or wall hooks to suspend your pots from ceilings, balconies, or walls. These are perfect for herbs like basil, mint, and thyme, as well as colorful flowers that brighten up your space. Hanging planters are especially great for apartments or tiny yards where every inch counts. Wall-mounted pocket planters. Next, we have wall-mounted pocket planters, a clever way to turn any empty wall into a living garden. These planters are usually made from fabric or felt pockets, which can hold small plants like succulents, strawberries, or herbs. Not only do they save space, but they also create a beautiful vertical display that's easy to maintain and adds instant charm to your balcony or tiny yard. Pallet gardens. Another fantastic vertical gardening idea is pallet gardens. By repurposing recycled wooden pallets, you can create a multi-level plant shelf that's perfect for flowers, herbs, or even small vegetables. Pallet gardens are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and add a rustic charm to any balcony or tiny yard. Plus, arranging plants at different heights creates a visually appealing green wall. Tiered shelving units. Tiered shelving units are a simple and effective way to create a vertical garden without touching your walls. By using compact shelves, you can stack multiple potted plants vertically, making the most of any corner or narrow space. These shelves are perfect for mixing flowers, herbs, and small vegetables, and they instantly transform an empty corner into a vibrant green oasis. Trellis for climbing plants. Next up are trellises for climbing plants, perfect for adding height and greenery to your balcony or tiny yard. You can grow vines like beans, peas, or flowering climbers, which naturally scale the trellis, creating a lush vertical display. Trellises not only maximize vertical space, but they also provide a natural screen or privacy barrier while adding beauty to your outdoor area. Hanging bottle planters. Another creative idea is hanging bottle planters, a fun and eco-friendly way to upcycle plastic bottles into vertical gardens. Simply cut, drill, and hang bottles vertically to grow herbs, succulents, or small flowers. This is a perfect DIY project for anyone looking to add greenery while reducing waste. And it works amazingly well on balconies or small yards. Vertical herb garden next. We have the vertical herb garden, perfect for home cooks and small space gardeners alike. You can grow herbs like basil, mint, and thyme in small stacked pots or wall-mounted racks, creating a convenient and compact green wall right in your kitchen or balcony. Not only does it save space, but it also gives you fresh herbs at your fingertips, making cooking easier and more flavorful. Stacked crates. Another versatile idea is stacked crates. Simple, affordable, and highly customizable. You can stack wooden crates vertically or hang them on walls to create multiple levels for plants. This setup is perfect for flowers, herbs, or small vegetables, and it adds a rustic, charming look to your balcony or tiny yard. Stacked crates make it easy to rearrange and expand your vertical garden as needed. Ladder-style planter. Next up is the ladder-style planter, a charming way to display your plants vertically. Simply lean a rustic ladder against a wall or balcony railing and place pots on each step. This setup works beautifully for flowers, herbs, or small vegetables, creating a layered, visually appealing garden. Ladder planters are easy to move and rearrange, making them perfect for experimenting with different plant combinations. Hanging mason jars. Another fun and decorative idea is hanging mason jars. Simply place small plants or succulents in mason jars and hang them using ropes or metal holders. This creates a charming vertical display that's perfect for balconies, patios, or even indoors. Hanging mason jars are lightweight, customizable, and add a pop of color to any small space. PVC pipe gardens. Next, we have PVC pipe gardens, a smart and modern way to grow plants vertically. By drilling holes in PVC pipes and mounting them vertically, you can grow herbs, small vegetables, or succulents in a compact space. PVC pipe gardens are durable, space-saving, and perfect for DIY enthusiasts, allowing you to create a sleek, vertical garden even on a tiny balcony or yard. Balcony rail planters. Finally, we have balcony rail planters, a simple way to add greenery without taking up any floor space. By attaching planters directly to your balcony railing, you can grow flowers, herbs, or small vegetables that cascade beautifully over the edges. This method maximizes every inch of your balcony and instantly transforms a plain railing into a vibrant, living display. Now that we've covered all 12 vertical gardening ideas, let's go over some tips to make your garden thrive. First, choose lightweight pots to avoid overloading your walls or shelves. This keeps your setup safe and stable. Next, make sure your plants get proper sunlight and ventilation. Most herbs and flowers need at least a few hours of sunlight each day, so plan your placement accordingly. Consider using drip irrigation or self-watering planters to make watering easier, especially if you have a busy schedule. Don't forget to fertilize regularly and prune your plants. This keeps them healthy, encourages growth, and prevents overcrowding. Finally, rotate your plants occasionally to ensure each one receives even sunlight and grows evenly. Let's put these ideas into action with a quick DIY vertical garden setup that you can create in just a few steps. For this project, all you need are simple materials: a wooden pallet, pots, soil, and your favorite plants. Start by attaching the pots to the pallet securely. Fill them with soil, plant your herbs or flowers, and arrange them so they're evenly spaced for maximum sunlight. The beauty of vertical gardening is that it encourages creativity. You can adapt the design to fit any balcony, railing, or tiny yard, making your space truly your own. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when setting up a vertical garden. First, avoid overcrowding your plants. Each plant needs enough space to grow and access sunlight. Next, poor drainage can lead to root rot, so make sure your pots and planters have adequate holes and drainage systems. Don't ignore sunlight requirements. Placing sun-loving plants in shady spots will stunt their growth. Finally, remember regular maintenance. Vertical gardens need watering, pruning, and occasional fertilizing to stay healthy and vibrant. By keeping these tips in mind, you can enjoy a thriving vertical garden without frustration or wasted effort. We'd love to see your creations. Share your vertical garden ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other urban gardening videos for more tips and inspiration.